नमस्ते, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू। हम बात करेंगे क्लास 9 की मैथमेटिक्स की वर्कशीट 21 के बारे में। आज आपकी वर्कशीट में आया है लाइन पैरेलल टू द सेम लाइन। लास्ट टाइम हमने लाइन्स एंगल्स की बात की थी, उसी को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं। तो चिल्ड्रन, इफ टू लाइन्स आर पैरेलल टू द सेम लाइन, will they be parallel to each other? Let's check it. See the figure. Suppose P, Q and R the three lines. These are three lines. P, Q and R. P, Q and R. These are three lines. P parallel to Q and P parallel to R. Let us draw a line transversal for the PQR. This is the transversal line. Now angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? Because corresponding angle. And angle 2 must be equal to angle 3 because this line is also parallel to this. Therefore 2 and 3 are also equal because again corresponding angles. But 2 and 3 corresponding angles, 1 and 2, 1 and 3. Therefore combining these two figures, we can say angle 2 and 3 are corresponding angles and they are equal. Therefore lines must be parallel. एक बार फिर से देख लीजिए, P and Q, this and this line is parallel. It means this angle and this angle must be equal. Therefore 1 is equal to 2. And this line दूसरे कलर से दिखाते हैं. Again, this line P and R, this line parallel, then angle 1, this one, and angle 3, this one. This must be equal to each other. Okay, 1 is equal to 3. But 1 is equal to 2 and we are saying 1 is equal to 3. It means angle 2 must be equal to angle 3. यही यहाँ पर लिखा है. And 2 and 3 are corresponding angles. Therefore line must be parallel. Therefore we can say that lines which are parallel to the same lines are parallel to each other. तो कोई भी दो लाइन चिल्ड्रन जब होगी पैरेलल, तो कोई तीसरी लाइन अगर उनमें से किसी एक की पैरेलल है, इसका मतलब वो तीनों ही पैरेलल हो जाएंगी. तो all these lines are parallel to each other. Okay, it's a very important property. Now solve some question based on this property. Okay, in figure, PQ parallel to RS, PQ parallel to RS, and angle QXM is given, this one, and MYR is also given, this one. We have to find X and Y. X and Y may be here, X and Y, and maybe here, but it is reflex angle. So whenever we have to find reflex X and Y, then we have to find this side. Otherwise simply X and Y from blue lines, this one. Now let's do, we make a parallel line through point M in this figure also. PQ and this RS, एक correction कर लीजिए, RS parallel, and we make a parallel through M. Therefore all three lines must be parallel to each other, जैसा property अभी हमने last में पढ़ा. Now parallel lines में this QXM and XMB, this is equal to 180. Why? Sum of interior angles on same side. Parallel lines की एक property है, sum of interior angles of same side is always equal to 180 degree. But now this is 135. Therefore X and B must be 180 minus 135. So this angle, this one, this angle, वो छोटा सा यहाँ अलग से बना दे. This is 135. This must be 45. Again, second and third line also parallel. Therefore, this 40, this is given 40. This 40 must be equal to this angle because alternate interior angle. This angle must be equal to this. This is 40 given, therefore this must be 40. This is 45. Therefore 45 plus 40, 45 plus 40 is 85. This is our required answer. X, M, Y. The angle, required angle XMY is 40 plus 45, 85 degrees. This is the final answer. Okay. Next, some question for practice. In figure 4, if AB parallel to CD, CD parallel to EF. Okay, there are some blurred pictures are there. आपको देखने में परेशानी होगी, जैसे इस क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा सा हुई, तो इसको थोड़ा सा हम अलग पेज पर बना लेते हैं. See on the next page. AB, CD, EF are parallel lines and L is a transversal. Again the same figure here. And angle X, Y, Z are there. Angle X, Y, Z. These are three angles X, Y, Z. AB parallel to CD is given, CD parallel to EF is also given, X, Y, Z are given, and again, next one thing is given, Y ratio to Z is 3:7. The ratio between Y and Z is 3:7. Now let's do, we have to find X. What is the value of X? Okay. See, this angle Z must be equal to this angle. Okay, take some point so we can find name easily. This is point M, N, and P. Now C and P must be equal to NPF. C and P, NPF, or you can say FCN. These two angles are equal to each other because CD parallel to EF. It is given. And these angles are alternate interior angles. Okay, then we can write here Z. Now L is a straight line and CD lies on it. CN is a ray, you can say. Therefore Y plus Z must be equal to 180. Y and Z are given in the ratio 3:7. Let's take Y, let it be 3M, M is any multiple, Z 7M. Now substitute the value of Y and Z. We will get 3M plus 7M is equal to 180 degree. Therefore 10M is equal to 180 degree. We can find M must be equal to 18 degree. Divide by 10 on both sides. Therefore Y must be 3 into 18, 54, and Z must be 7 into 18, 126 degree. But we have to find X. Then what is X? Again see, AB and CD are two parallel lines and X and Z are corresponding angles. This X and Z are also equal. Therefore X must be equal to Z. Therefore X must be equal to 126 degree. This is our required answer. It's very easy but need a little more practice. So just do yourself again and again. It will be very simple. Okay children, see you next time for some more questions. Stay happy, stay healthy. See you later. Oh, one more question is there. Yes, one question is remaining, sorry. Second question. PQ parallel to ST and PQR 110 and RST 130 degree. So let's make this question again. PQ and ST are parallel. QRS we have to find out. What is the angle QRS? Okay. Again same property we may use. If one line is parallel to another line, then remaining lines which are already parallel, therefore all three lines are parallel to each other. So take another line either parallel to PQ or parallel to ST. Then all three lines must be parallel. From a point R, take a line parallel to this. You can say it will be parallel PQ or it will parallel ST. Then all three lines are parallel to each other. Whatever you want. So ST parallel to RW. Take any point. But given PQ parallel to ST, therefore PQ parallel to ST parallel to RW. All three lines are parallel to each other. Now, ST and RW are parallel again using the property interior angle of same side. The sum of interior angle is 180. Therefore, 130 plus RWRS must be equal to 180. We can write TSR plus WRS is equal to 180 degree. एंगल का साइन लगा दीजिए. 130 plus WRS must be equal to 180. Therefore, WRS must be, what should be added in 130 to make it 180 degree? No doubt, it's 50 degree. You can write it directly for 1 mark question. Otherwise, we have to write these steps. Now, RW and PQ also parallel. Then this angle PQR, this one, and this angle WRQ, this one, must be equal to each other. Why? Yes, alternate interior angles. So this angle and this angle are equal. Now it's very simple. What should be added in 50 to make it 110? It must be 60 degrees. But for 2 or 3 marks question, we must write some step by step. Let PQR is equal to QRW. This is angle PQR, angle QRW. Take a sign of angle because lines are parallel and these are alternate interior angles. PQR is given 110 and QRW can be written as QRS, which we have to find, plus SRW. It means SRW already we find 50 degree. 110 is equal to QRS plus 50 degree. Therefore, QRS must be equal to 110 minus 50 degree, or we will get 60 degree is our final answer for QRS. It's very simple, but again, do more practice. Stay healthy, stay happy. See you later. Bye-bye.